Hello crafters, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you 6 different types of funky earrings using quilling strips. Isn't they are beautiful? So let's get started. For this we need some multicolor 3mm quilling strips, earring hooks, some jump rings, plier, quilling tool, liquid glue, and I am using quilling shiner for the varnish. So first I am starting with this earring. I am taking 1½ strip of orange color and just wrapping this around the glue bottle. Here I am making the ring. So the ring is ready. Now I am taking 1 strip of orange color and wrapping the strip around the top part of the glue bottle and making little small ring. So the medium size ring is also done. Now I am taking my quilling tool and taking half strip of orange color and making small size ring. My one strip length is 45 cm. So 3 rings are ready. Now I will connect the medium ring with the large ring like this, and now connect the small ring with the medium ring like this. Let it dry. Now to fill this I am making some tight coils. So here I am taking half strip of yellow color, make one tight coil like this. Now I am taking 1/3 strip of yellow color and making one tight coil. In the same way I have created one more tight coil. Now I am taking 1/4 strip of yellow color and making one tight coil. In the same way I created one tight coil. Now I am taking 1/6 strip of yellow. We need 2 tight coils of this size, and at the end I am taking 1/8 strip of yellow, and we need total 2 tight coils of this shape. Now I will fill this area using these tight coils. So start with larger one and then add in decreasing order on left and right sides. So it's done. Let it dry. Now I am taking half strip of orange color and making one tight coil. Like this. Now I will connect this tight coil on top of the ring like this. Now I am taking the jump ring, insert this jump ring through the tight coil and insert earring hook and secure the jump ring using plier. So the earring is ready. Now I will apply quilling shiner on top of this to give it little shine and strength. So just spread it using brush. You can also use Mod Podge or paper varnish. So first earring is ready. Now I am proceeding to second earring. So I have already created this large and medium size ring using my bottles, bottom and upper body. Now taking the large ring and just making the triangle in this way. Just pinch on 3 points In the similar way I will create with small ring. So this is done. Now I will connect the small triangle with the large triangle, and I have already created some tight coils using peach color with the same way in which we have created the yellow tight coils. Now I am adding glue inside the triangles and adding these tight coils in large to small size on both the sides. Like this. Again I am adding this tight coil on top of the triangle. It's dry now. Now I am inserting the jump ring and the hook and securing the jump ring. So the earring is ready. Now I will start with third ring. For this I am taking 2 rings of purple color. First take the large ring and just pinch it on one point to make a drop shape. Like this. Do the same with small ring. Now I will connect both the drops with each other. Like this. Now I am filling this gap using some green color shapes. For the center of the shape I have created this teardrop using half strip of green, and rest all are the tight coils. Now I am adding again one tight coil on top of this, and after drying this tight coil you can connect the jump ring and the hook as we did before. Now I am starting with fourth earring. For this I am taking blue color circles ring. First take large ring, pinch it like this, rotate in 90-degree angle and again pinch it. So you will get a square shape. Do the same with small ring. Now connect both the squares with each other. Now fill this gap between squares using pink color tight coils. Now I am adding one tight coil on top of this, and later you can add the ring and the hook. Now proceeding to the fifth earring. This is the leaf shape earring. For this I am taking 2 rings of dark green color. Just pinch it so you will get a leaf shape. Now connect both the leaves. This time I am adding on left side and fill the middle gap using yellow color tight coils. All of these tight coils are made using 1/4 strip of yellow. So this is done. Now I'm adding one green color tight coil on top of this, and then after drying it I will add jump ring and the hook. Now I am doing the last and my most favorite butterfly earring. For this I am taking black color rings, but this time I have created small rings. For this I have used the upper part of bottle and my tool. So first just pinch both the rings to make a drop shape. Connect both the drop shapes with each other like this. Now I am taking one tight coil which is made using 1/4 strip and these two tiny tight coils which is made using 1/6 strip of white color. So connect these three tight coils inside these rings. Now for the lower part of the butterfly I am using half strip of white and half strip of black color. Just make a tight teardrop shape like this. Connect the lower body. In the same way I have created the right side wing. Now I am taking these two black tight coils. The larger one is made using half strip of black and smaller one is made using 1/4 strip of black. So first connect both side wings with each other. Then connect small tight coil in the center, and then I am connecting the large tight coil. So I have applied varnish on all the earrings and added the hooks. I have created one more alternative for this circle shape. I have created two rings and added green color coils inside this. So this is one more way of doing the circle earring. So the beautiful earrings are ready. My project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.